Well, everyone, the iPhone XS came out back in 2018. Now, I do want to do a quick unboxing of the one that I actually ended up buying. So this was many, many years ago. I do think that I don't know if this was the original box that I got. It's been so long now, but the XS is a great phone. I think it's awesome. And you can see again that I always show people the thickness of these phones, at least from the boxes, is absolutely crazy. The fact that we got this much packaging and just these many accessories in our box from a phone that's kind of cheaper than what it was, at least nowadays, it's actually pretty insane to me. Now on the back, you can see this was the 64 gigabyte version of the iPhone XS, so nothing really crazy here, nothing really stands out to me. This, yeah, iPhone XS Silver, 64 gigabytes. So this, I don't think was the original box because I do have the space gray model, so I don't think it was silver. But going through and unboxing it, if we go and take off the top, you would normally have seen your iPhone here. Now this is, again, the one that I just repackaged. This is the one that I normally use. This one actually has a cracked back, believe it or not. So I'll go and put this here. And essentially what you would get would be your iPhone on top. You would get some paperwork. With this iPhone, I did not get any paperwork, obviously. But if we were to go ahead and take this iPhone up top, you would have your beautiful iPhone XS with its beautiful 5.8-inch Super Retina OLED display. On the back, you would actually have your standard glass back. Unfortunately for this one, I do have a skin on it because I did crack my back, but it still looks pretty good with this, carbon fiber, whatever it looks like. I'll go ahead and put this iPhone here. Now we do have our standard, 30, this is the crazy thing. We used to get the charging block inside of our iPhones. Apple has now completely removed these, which for better or for worse, I guess it was whatever. But that was a really cool thing that Apple ended up giving us. So I'm really happy, at least with some of these older iPhones, we still have some of that type of capability. Now on top of that, this was the crazy thing. We used to get ear pods inside of our iPhones. So now these are like what, $15, $20 to buy separately. We used to get them right inside of the box. That was one of my favorite things that Apple ever gave us. The fact that we could just get this type of, accessory right there within the box in and of itself was amazing. So I do think that's also another really cool thing that Apple gave us at that time. And we had our standard charging block. This was pretty standard. The fact that we didn't have, a USB Type-C port yet, I guess, for these charging. I think the year after this, they started giving us USB-C chargers. But I still think it's okay. It's not that big of a deal. But when I look back, and I've said this before time and time again, when I look back to what Apple basically gave us at this moment, up until now, I do think that, Apple had some sort of plan of, I guess, even at this point, to remove all their chargers, to remove everything like this, to remove the earpods as well, because they started really focusing in on their, AirPods a lot. They started going down that direction a lot. But I do think when I look at these devices, it's actually pretty insane to me that's just how many accessories you're getting inside of the box. So that's kind of a quick unboxing of the iPhone XS in 2023. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.